Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm so glad you guys are here. So today we're going to be making buttercream, and basically you only need three things. That is milk, icing sugar, and butter.
So we are
just going to mix the butter. If you have a mixer, you can whisk it. If you have a machine, you can use that as well. So you beat the butter for about 3 to 5 minutes.
Sikiliza Nation Rats Pene Menso Yapela.
So after beating your butter, we are now going to add the icing sugar, a spoon at a time, and mix. So make sure that we mix this nicely every time that we add in the icing sugar.
Sikiliza Nation Rats Pene Menso Yapela. This is where faith begins. Pene Menso Yapela. Dear Palimoyo Pene Menso Yapela. The source of everything. Pene Menso Yapela. Dear Palimutendelele.
After adding all the icing sugar, we are just going to add some milk, maybe just a tablespoon, and mix it. So at this point you can even add vanilla essence if you have vanilla essence. And I added food color as well, so that's the food color that I put in there. So after that I'm just going to mix it properly.
Sikiliza Nation Rats Pene Menso Yapela. This is where faith begins. Pene Menso Yapela. Dear Palimoyo Pene Menso Yapela. The source of everything. Pene Menso Yapela. Dear Palimutendelele. Nikutali kweni funo fika na haya manyimbo yene tima pika. Pole pole by the millimeter, small steps to the prime, petty funo feature. His favor's gonna make way. Kwatika nyoni kene kana kwela ndege.
And that's it. Thank you so much guys for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I only made this video for those people that have been requesting on how to do cream, and I hope you've learned something and you'll be able to try. Please do subscribe. See you next time.